we guide you through how to see transaction history on Western Union. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Western Union app on your phone or go to the official Western Union website and log in to your account using your registered email and password. Once you're inside, go directly to the dashboard and look for the activity or transactions section depending on your version of the app. Tap on it and you will immediately see a list of all your past money transfer, including sent and received transactions. If you are using the website, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Track Transfer or History. From there, you can filter transactions by date, status, or reference number to quickly find what you are looking for. You can also tap each transaction to view full details like sender's name, receiver amount, and tracking number. If you don't see recent transactions, make sure you are logged in into the correct account or refresh the page if needed.